Alright guys, so in case you all might not know the recent update on the CX.io, I want to share with you guys that there is 100x leverage on your pocket, which you might not actually know how to use. Alright, so this is a little bit of update that has actually been applied to the CX.io application, and this is going to be very interesting for those that are actually into trading, into margin trading. Alright, so you see, they say, guess what? Um just dropped margin trading on our live CX.io app right now, which means you can basically participate and get up to like 10x leverage available over 80 different cryptos which are available right there. All right, so what you basically need to do is that you're going to be able to get access to the CX.io application if you have the application downloaded. If you don't have the application, then you will need to download the application and get your account verified. All right, now you can click on this icon right here to get access to the link, but I'm going to provide the link for you guys in the official Telegram channel. All right, so this is our official Telegram channel right here. This is our official family, CX.io family. I'll post the link. I'll post the link of this particular channel in the description. You can go follow up right there, because right here we basically discuss on few things. All right, so what I'm going to share with you guys right now is basically how to get your hands on the margin trade. So if you come to your cx.io app right over here, all right, now once this basically opens up, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to scroll over on the downside right here. All right, so you have where they say any right here. You're going to be seeing the saving and then the staking session, but we're going to go to the trades. All right, so this is basically the trades, because we are going to be doing margin trade. Actually, we were using the sports section as of before. All right, so now you have the sports section, but you have the margin trade, which is available right now for those that are super interested in margin trades. All right, and this margin trade gets to give you over 10x leverage of all the 80 cryptocurrencies you're seeing right here. All right, so these are up to 80 cryptocurrencies which are provided right here, which means you can basically participate on the trading sections right here to make money for yourself. Now you can come over right here and do your margin trade, and the fun part about this is that if you want to actually do trade, this is how you're going to be doing it. Right, so for instance, you want to basically select a particular cryptocurrency, let's say ARB, this particular one right here. You click on it, it's going to actually open up for you after doing your analysis and every other single thing. Right, so you're going to select where your funds are. If it's in BTC, Ethereum, or USD, you select that from the sub account section. All right, and you can basically click right here to deposit straight up. Now once you're able to deposit into your balance and you have some money in your account, then you can come right all the way down here to basically see the details of your trade and every other single thing. It's either you're going long or you're going short, so you position every single thing and then you are good to go. Now you can check out on your position histories and also your active positions to see every single details of your trade. Now this makes trading on the CX.io application very easy and simple to use, which means you can get to do this without any single stress, and you can automatically get a direct access to this from the CX.io application. Get your application download right now and start making use of it. You can benefit a whole lot from it. All right, so stick around as I'm going to share with you guys other project and other things you basically need to know. So watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates like this.